Most modern Lenovo docking stations support only 2 to 3 monitors natively. To connect 4 monitors, you'll need to understand the hardware limitations and use additional technology. Here's a typical setup showing how 2 monitors connect directly to a docking station's native ports. This represents the standard capability of most Lenovo docks. To achieve a 4 monitor setup, you'll need DisplayLink technology. This uses USB-based adapters to add additional monitors beyond the native video outputs. Your docking station must have a DisplayLink chipset and multiple port types. Look for stations with HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C outputs, plus sufficient power delivery. Your laptop also needs specific capabilities: a compatible USB-C or Thunderbolt port, adequate graphics processing power, and updated drivers for DisplayLink functionality. The connection strategy uses a hybrid approach. Connect 2 monitors to the docking station's native HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. Then use USB-based DisplayLink adapters for monitors 3 and 4. Understanding the physical connectors is important. DisplayPort offers higher bandwidth than HDMI, while USB-C provides both data and power delivery in a single cable. Power delivery is crucial for a stable 4 monitor setup. Your docking station should provide 65 to 100 watts of power delivery to ensure reliable operation of all connected devices. The choice between Thunderbolt and USB-C docking stations affects your monitor capabilities. Thunderbolt supports higher resolutions and refresh rates, while USB-C offers broader compatibility but with some limitations. With the right docking station, DisplayLink technology, and proper power delivery, you can successfully connect 4 monitors to your Lenovo setup for enhanced productivity. After connecting your 4 monitors, the next crucial step is configuring your display settings. Your operating system needs to recognize and properly arrange all 4 screens for optimal productivity. Performance optimization is critical for smooth operation. Adjust resolution and refresh rates based on your hardware capabilities. DisplayLink monitors typically add 5 to 10 milliseconds of latency compared to native connections. Multi-monitor adoption has surged dramatically. Since 2023, there has been a 73% increase in multi-monitor setups, primarily driven by hybrid work adoption and increased productivity demands. Proper troubleshooting and cable management are essential for reliable operation. Keep DisplayLink drivers updated to avoid conflicts, and implement strategic bandwidth management when needed. Finally, consider ergonomic factors for long-term comfort and health. Proper monitor positioning prevents neck strain and eye fatigue. Position monitors at eye level and maintain appropriate viewing distances for optimal productivity.